Have you ever wondered why some things grab your attention while others simply pass you by unnoticed? The answer lies in a fascinating concept known as attention boundaries. In the vast universe of thoughts, stimuli, and information, attention boundaries act like a selective filter, determining what gets through to our conscious awareness and what doesn't. They are the unsung heroes of our cognitive process, silently and efficiently managing our mental resources. Think of your mind as a bustling city, teeming with thoughts, sensations, emotions, and memories. Now imagine attention boundaries as the city's traffic control system. They decide which vehicles of information get the green light to your conscious awareness and which ones are halted at the red light. But how do these boundaries come into play? Well, they are largely influenced by two key factors: relevance and intensity. Information deemed relevant to our goals or survival often gets the green light. For instance, the smell of smoke will quickly grab your attention because it signals potential danger. Similarly, intense or novel stimuli often breach our attention boundaries because they stand out from the mundane. A sudden loud noise or a bright flash of light is hard to ignore, isn't it? Yet, attention boundaries aren't rigid or fixed. They are dynamic, constantly shifting and adapting based on our changing needs, interests, and environment. Ever noticed how you can tune out a noisy crowd when engrossed in a book, but the slightest whisper of your name cuts through the noise, grabbing your attention? That's your attention boundaries at work, flexibly adjusting to prioritize what's most important to you. So, what are the key points to remember about attention boundaries? Firstly, attention boundaries serve as a selective filter for our conscious awareness, deciding what information gets in and what stays out. Secondly, these boundaries are influenced by the relevance and intensity of the information. Relevant or intense stimuli are more likely to grab our attention. Lastly, attention boundaries are dynamic, not static. They shift and adapt based on our needs, interests, and the environment. Understanding the concept of attention boundaries can be a game changer. It helps us comprehend why we focus on certain things, tune out others, and how we can potentially manipulate these boundaries to improve our focus and productivity. So, the next time you find yourself easily distracted or deeply engrossed, remember it's not just you. It's your attention boundaries, silently and efficiently managing the bustling city of your mind.